Hi friends, in this video I am going to unbox and review the new Zebronic Soundfest 50 Bluetooth soundbar. Welcome to Extra Bytes. I bought this soundbar from Amazon.in during the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. The price is 1499 rupees in the Great Indian Festival season. Now let's open the box and see the contents inside. You can see the Zebronic soundbar box packed neatly in the Amazon carton. It has many functionalities. As you can see on the box, it supports the latest Bluetooth 5.0. It has the provision to play USB, and we can insert the micro SD, and it has an auxiliary port also, and FM radio is also available in this. And they claim that it is a rugged design. It has dual 57mm driver support, and there is a provision to hold the mobile also on the top of the soundbar. This product is launched recently in August 2020 and the MRP is 2499, but in the Amazon Great Indian Festival it is available for 1499 only. Let's open the cover and see what are the contents available inside. After opening the cover, just slide the inside blue box. Like our mobile, it is packed like that. Just we have to slide the blue box, and the above box can be removed. These are the contents available. This box contains the user manual, a auxiliary cable, and a USB cable for charging. This is the user manual, and the instructions are very clearly mentioned in this. You can follow the instructions. This is the USB cable for charging, and this is the auxiliary cable, as it has auxiliary port support, and they have given one small auxiliary cable. This is the type B USB cable. No charger is included in the box. You have to use your mobile charger to charge the device. This is the Bluetooth soundbar. This looks so handy, and the rubber grip is so nice to carry the Bluetooth soundbar. This is the front view. This is the back view. All ports are present at the back side, and the on-off switch is also present at the back side. This is the bottom view. The rubber strap is so nice and easy to carry, and that glue is to hold the mobile. You can keep the mobile on the top of the Bluetooth soundbar. These are the contents that comes with this Bluetooth soundbar. Let's see how it feels like and looks like. The entire body is made up of plastic, but the upper and the side and the lower parts, they have given a matte finish, and the rubber strip is very handy to carry the Bluetooth bar. At the bottom you can see the voltage ratings and the output power. Though the speaker looks like it has two speakers, but it is not a stereo speaker, it is a mono speaker. Each will give output of 7 watts. Combining together, they claim that they will give 14 watts RMS output. Now let us see its functionalities. At the front you can see there are 4 buttons, and at the back you can see the on-off button, USB type B for charging, and the auxiliary port, and a USB slot to keep your pen drive, and a memory card slot to keep your micro SD card. You have to switch on the Bluetooth bar. As soon as you switch on, you can see a blue light is blinking, and in the mobile or any other device, if you turn on your Bluetooth, and you can see this device appearing on your device, and you can pair it. Once you have paired it, you can see there are 4 buttons at the front. M means it is used to switch the modes from Bluetooth to auxiliary to FM. Like that, by pressing the M button we can switch to modes, and these plus and minus by default they will do volume increasing and decreasing, and they will also perform the previous track and next track operation. By pressing it for 2 seconds they will go to previous track and next track. This play button is used to play and pause the music. Also it has inbuilt mic and it supports call functionalities. By pressing the play button you can lift the call also, and if you want to reject the call you have to press the play button for 2 seconds. This is the auxiliary port. Auxiliary cord, we can use this auxiliary cord to connect your mobile or any other TV or any other device. Without Bluetooth you can use this auxiliary port and enjoy the sound in this soundbar. This is the USB slot to keep your pen drive, and it supports MP3 and WAV formats. Micro SD also, it supports MP3 and WAV formats only. The micro SD should be less than 128 GB, and above that you can see the mobile holder. This blue light itself indicates the battery status also. Whenever the battery is drained out it will turn into red and we have to charge this sound bar. When it is fully charged the red light will turn off. Now I will show you how to connect this to mobile, and we will check the sound quality of this sound bar. First I will switch on the toggle switch, and then in your mobile go to settings, and in that you can open the Bluetooth settings. When you turn on the Bluetooth you can see the zip sound Fiest 50 in your Bluetooth menu, and you have to click it and a message will pop up and you have to accept it. Now it is paired to your device. Once it is paired you can see the battery status also under your Bluetooth paired devices. Under settings you can control to route calls and audio to this Bluetooth device. If you don't want to receive calls in this device you can switch off this and you can unpair this device from here. Now I will play music from my mobile. The sound quality is very good in this price range. It is a good buy for the one who wants to have a Bluetooth bar in the budget. You can increase the volume up and down even from mobile, and from the device also you can control it. Now we will see how the FM works like. We have to click the M button, that is mode, to switch to FM. Whenever FM is switched on you have to press and hold the play button, and it will continuously scan all the FM channels available in your region. Whenever it finds the channel you can listen the channel. It will continuously scan all the channels. Once if you feel that the channels are repeating again you can leave that button. Now you have to press and hold the plus and minus buttons to change to FM channels. Press and hold for 2 seconds to change the channel. Just press the plus and minus buttons to increase and decrease the volume. As there are no channels in my region I could not show you the FM channels. After using it for 3 days I found that the battery backup is good and the sound quality is not the best but very good in this price range. If anyone looking for a budget Bluetooth soundbar, then this is a best choice. Product buy link is available in the description. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.